We are here, we are here, we are here. One is amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up EUR CHF. We are in the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle in the market, bearish, pin up to the top. So price action like it's retesting that previous areas of resistance while doing that. There's some type of pattern that can be forming in that area. Also, we can see that market is in a tight consolidation. Price action overall high is high. Price action overall low is low. Midpoint in the middle. Let's signify what's going on near price. We can see price is in that decline. At major areas of support that's been touching. So we do have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, and price is currently at the retest, at the support. So we're looking for a pattern to form in this area to see if the market's going to break out. If so, price is coming from a double bottom and a retest or overall triple bottom. And if price does break this resistance, we look for the retest and then we look for the pattern for that market to push down further. Then over the price. So we have price action. We do know that's the low. Price action, high of that area, midpoint. So we can see price broke, came back to retest with this bearish candle, pushed down, pushed back up, pushed down again. So we can see that is on the first leg, second leg, third leg currently. So is that third leg is going to respect that support to push up for that fourth leg, create that double bottom, retest the midpoint, work his way up? Or is that this bearish red candle is the first leg, second leg, price action is the third leg, and all we have to receive is, one more time, bearish candle, first leg, bullish candle, green, first leg, bearish candle, second leg, green candle's third leg, price action candle is the fourth leg. That's why we see the M. So we're looking forward to see if the market's going to break that support, come back to retest and work its way down. Price is also in a tight consolidation of that area. Also, when price does break down, if it does break down to the next level, we want to see price engulf the second, third, fourth candle in the market, not just the body, but the wick close out, maybe with this candle, additional candles to push that market further down so we can identify the break and retest of the support line, turn to resistance for that market to work its way down further. Headed down to the weekly time frame. Price action on the weekly time frame, the doji is indecisive consolidation at the support line. We have to wait till a pattern form to engulf it. Either green going to close out, push that market up, or red going to close out to the bottom side and push that market down. So the patterns that can be forming, let's say that market is going to push up for that incline, first, second, third, fourth. Overall retest, market push up, so price action coming from the bottom on the weekly time frame. If it's running to these areas of resistance, we have a retest. So let's see what's going on. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushing down, double top, retest, or a single top and a double retest. Even though three pushes to the top. And we can see that wedge pattern that's trying to form in that area too. So that's overall another pattern that we could look for. So market started off. So if we have a wedge pattern top and bottom, we do have that midpoint in the middle. So market is bouncing up and down either the overall of the wedge pattern or just to the midpoint, as we can see right here, before it went back up to the high of that wedge pattern of the resistance trend line and before it broke down. Okay, so we're going to see, waiting for that market to break out this wedge pattern and see what it's going to really do. Headed down to the daily time frame, price action, second last candle, third to last candle is all within each other, so that's consolidation. You want to see a price action candle break out this resistance or support that I currently at. Price action candle like a retest. Second, third, and fourth candle push down, price action retest resistance. So we're waiting for that pattern to form. It's going to be a red one or a green one candle. That market's still in that consolidation. Pattern trying to form. First, second, third, fourth. Retest one. Retest is going to break out two. Overall double bottom and two retests. Four pushes down to that bottom overall. Or it's going to be first, second, third, fourth retest. Market push down. So market will be coming from some type of triple top. Headed down to the three. Same as well, prices within the previous candles, consolidation. Headed down to the two, same as well, prices within the previous candles, consolidation. So we're seeing that price is trying to break that midpoint line that I did create with the green bullish candle. If we do receive that break with this candle here, we're looking for the retest and for that market to come up. We can see it coming from overall first, second, third, fourth retest, market push up, retest, and so on. Market is coming from that double top, first, second, third, fourth retest, get declined here, drop down for a double top of the retest or a triple top. Still waiting for overall breakout of that SR line that we did create from earlier time frame. Headed down to the one, price action just broke back to the opposite side, still within consolidation, came back to retest that resistance. Want to see if it's going to push down or push back up. Price action candle currently just changed on the 1 hour and 45 minutes to a doji. So market is spiking up to that resistance. So we're going to identify what's going on with the next candle once it closes out. On a 30-minute price action, second last candle side by side, consolidation. Price action just moved just a little bit. You want to see if this market is going to push down to the previous area. You do want to see price action go off the previous second last candle, not just probably the body of the second last candle, but also the wick to close out for that market to push down. So you'll be looking at price action high, price action low, and we do have that midpoint in the middle. So you look for that market to break that midpoint, retest, work its way down. Headed down to the 15-minute time frame, or maybe it was on a 30-minute. 30 minutes identified the same as 15 side by side, same type of candles. And what that's identifying on the 15 and 30, the price action second last candle is second last candle spiked up, price action retesting the previous support. Still waiting for the third candle to form to close out to see what that's going to be. So as we can see on the 5-minute, here we go. That's the market pushed up, came back to retest, and price action is retesting the area resistance. That's why as a doji, still waiting for the market to go off the previous area. Price action second last candle are consolidation side by side within each other. 3-minute time frame as well. Price action side by side consolidation. Still waiting for that pattern to form first, second, third. Is it going to drop down or is it going to break out, retest, work its way up on a 3-minute time frame? And on the one price action, doji second last candle is a push down to the bottom. So market first leg, second leg, third leg with the second last candle, and we're going to see the price action to break out of that resistance above price to create that double bottom. Okay, guys, very important information. Forex pattern cheat sheet, click on images. Breakout retest strategy, click on images. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. EUR CHF.